In this video, you will learn how to hide photo in Google Drive. So let's start. This is my Google Drive. I have a here 4 photo. I want to hide this first one. Just right click of the mouse. Here you get option file information. In file information, click on the manage version and click on this photo is already have. This is the current version. Upload the new version. I want to hide with this photo. Okay, this white flower. Just open it, upload it and close it. Now you can see your photo is hide. When you click on that, the photo not show. If you want to unhide this, again right click, click on the file information, click on the manage versions, and this flower photo is delete, delete folder and close again. Now just refresh. See, it's done. It's unhide. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.